Hello, welcome back to Nerf Nerd Productions. Today we're doing a mod guide on the Doomlands 2169 Negotiator. We're going to take a worker 7 kilogram hammer shot spring, because it is the exact same internals of the hammer shot in this blaster. So that blaster will work, that spring will work. My favorite hammer shot spring, and I just happen to have a bunch of them laying around. We also go through, do the normal upgrades, Teflon tape on the plunger rod underneath the O-ring. If there's any air holes in the plunger tube, plug them up, or seal them actually with some E6000. Super lube up the whole air plunger tube while we have it all taken apart. Gonna sand it all down, get rid of most of all these tags and labels and all sorts of lovely stuff. Get rid of all that. Leave the detailing like this, and then get a primer coat on it, and then we're gonna do a nice paint job on it. We're going to do a different paint job on this than I've done on previous blasters. We're going to do what I call a ghetto hydro dip. It's also known as a spray paint hydro dip, and I'll show you exactly how to do all that. First things first, of course we got to take out all these darts and then take all the screws out. There's not too many, got a few though. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done and get right back to you. Okay, so let's find out how it stacks up. There's 8 shots. Let's see how far we've got. Some around 45, one about 55. Okay, so we're hitting anywhere between 65 and 72, 73. About stock for a hammer shot. Hammer shot only has 5 shots, this has 8, so of course we can have a few more shots to vary in. So all in all, not too bad of a blaster. Get a decent range on it. Until next time, have a good night, day, morning, whatever it may be. Bye. Alright, so we have it, the Negotiator put all back together, modded, painted. Did a ghetto hydro dip on here. I'll have a video up for how to do that technique and actually using this blaster for that on a different video. Overall came out okay. I'm still learning on that form of hydro dipping, how to work it, but feeling alright. Left the internals. The clear panel, I left the clear panel clear so you can see the internals, and that piece that goes right over the trigger, I painted that copper. Did a metallic black on that little sleeve there behind the spring, and also I painted that whole barrel assembly copper to help bring steampunk look up back a little bit. Of course I left plenty of orange on here, just to make sure that it's safe, and left some of the panels. Yeah, I like the way they look. Alright, so we're gonna go outside. I'll take a shot, and we'll see how far it shoots now that it's been fully upgraded with a 7 kilogram worker hammer shot spring. Alright, here we go for field testing. Oop, misfire! So what I'm seeing here is we're getting about hammer shot performance. It's hitting, yeah, it's hitting about 70 feet. And that's with the 7 kilogram hammer shot spring that I love to use, as well as doing Teflon tape and super lube on the inside of the plunger tube. So all in all, there it is. Negotiator, hand up, modded up. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a good night.